Enum comparison become false after reloading module. I have myEnum, an enumerate derived from enum, defined in a myenum.py file such as. Then I import this file using the importlib import_module method. I create an instance of my enumerate and test its value. It is correct, as intended. However, if I reload my file, using importlib reload is no longer equal to myenum.1. What is causing this? I'm on Python 3.7. Result. Edit. After further research, it appears enums in Python are compared by IDs. However, when re-importing the module, the IDs of my enum are changed, which is why the comparison returns false. What options would there be to avoid this ID change or allow the comparison to stay true?
It's impossible to avoid the ID change. You made a new class with new instances, while instances of the existing class still existed. Definitionally, the IDs aren't allowed to be equal. If you must allow them to compare equal despite differing identities, you can just override __eq__ on the enum to do whatever you like, e.g. I don't recommend this. Proper use of enums will use is for comparisons, and nothing can make that work, since it relies on the IDs, which per point number 1, will always differ, and it's going to be much slower, removing one of the benefits of enums, but it's doable if you must allow reloading during development. Just make sure to remove the reload for the production code.
You cannot guarantee that myenum will always refer to the same class, but the instance E itself always refers the same class. Therefore, a workaround is to change your test to.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.